I now request Mr. P.A. Jose, a former General Manager of ONGC MRPL, who will give a short presentation on Kalam Thoughts.
My privilege to be with you and luminaries of Mangalore. That vision of APJ Abdul Kalam, the vision he has wanted all of us to follow and see that India becomes a developed country by 2020, only you and I can make it possible. So I thought it's appropriate to share some of his thoughts, which is available all over, but it is something worth revising again and again to see that we live up to his expectations. Let me start with this first thought. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. I hope all of you can read it, see it. So the message, can somebody stand up and say, yes, I vouch for him. Failure will never succeed if my efforts are good enough. Failure will never overtake me if my determination to succeed is strong enough. Is it so? Is our determination strong enough? Which Dr. Habib also said, if your passion is for whatever pursuits of study, pursuits of research in life, please put your full efforts. And if your efforts are full, failure will not happen to you. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Well, I too had the opportunity to listen to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Sometime in Delhi, he was making a presentation when he failed. He failed and the nation failed. There was an opportunity to send a satellite to the space, and the country spent about 20 crores rupees those days, and the mission was a failure. And he was propounding, look, failure management is also equally important than success management. He was sharing that the whole press was bounce upon him, the DSRDO, why this country lost 20 crores rupees. But he was saying his boss at that time, Mr. Satish Dhawan, the Secretary of Space Research in India, he said, I am answerable, not him. This is one more way we came to know India is reaching its mission. India could not succeed this time, but we are on the right path. We will reach our mission and we will send our space to the our satellite to the space. So, friends, what I am trying to emphasize here is, maybe there are occasions we may not succeed in the first attempt, but finding fault with anybody may be the immediate reaction, but may not be the right response. Well, friends, all birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. This is another thought. Well, you can ponder over it, whether it is valid, whether you can make it a reality in your life. Now, next one is quite interesting. Man needs difficulties. Does he need difficulties? Yeah? Why? Man needs difficulties in life because they are necessary to enjoy the success. Yeah? If you get something very easily, it is not remembered, it is not success, it has come. But if you work for it and you get it, and you will enjoy the success. Now, this is very powerful. If you want to burn like a sun, if you want to shine like a sun, you have to burn like a sun. Yeah? Well, some thought provoking. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talent. Yeah? Agree? Great. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running by swift but synthetic happiness. Well, these are thoughts that has come from his heart. If you espouse and if you work towards it, success is yours. Thinking should make our capital asset. No matter whatever ups and downs you come across in your life, thinking should make your capital in life. Okay? And the last one, without your involvement, you can't succeed. With your involvement, you can't fail. Last. Well, friends, these are some of the thoughts which he has shared it for you and us, you and me to follow. And I hope all of us will endeavor to make sure that his vision of India comes into a reality. Thank you for the time. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you for your patience.